Good day, beauty queens. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised on Snapchat, I have a review for you guys, and it is going to be some makeup brushes. So I got some makeup brushes from BH Cosmetics, and this is actually a set. So this is going to be, well, actually this is not really a review. This is like an unboxing and kind of like first impressions. So this is what the box looks like. I went ahead on and just opened the box already, so I wouldn't have to do all that cutting and extra stuff that doesn't need to be done in this video. So this is the bag that's in it. The little package tissue that's in it. So they sent a travel series pamphlet. So this basically tells you the portable eyeshadow palettes that they have. Now, BH Cosmetics, I have done brush reviews on them before. This is not my first brush review for them. This is probably like my fourth or fifth one that I've done, because I've done a couple. But they also have really good eyeshadows. The Carly Bible eyeshadow palette came from there. She did the collaboration with them for that. I love that. I have a makeup tutorial with that palette. There's also other palettes that are really good. The Shan XO palette has come from there. The Take Me to Brazil palette, I did a review on that like a couple of years ago. Came from there. They have a lot of good palettes. They have a blush palette that I recommend in a video I think I did earlier last year, of my recommended palettes, or highly recommended palettes, and one of their blush palettes was in there. So they're really good. They have a lot of good affordable. They're like good affordable, almost like drugstore affordable makeup, but for good quality. So I highly recommend trying out their eyeshadows, even though that's not a part of this video or first impressions or unboxing, but I just had to put that in there because they really do have good eyeshadows. Next is the order receipt. So it basically just has like the number and all of that stuff on it. And then they sent me a sample, which BH Cosmetics is known for doing it. This is not the first time they've done that. They send samples of different things. This is a sample of a foundation. Unfortunately, I cannot use this shade. This is not my shade, but I will still keep it. You never know what friends, I could be hanging out with my friends and someone needs a foundation or something, or needs some coverage of some kind. So I'm definitely going to keep this. And then finally, last but not least, is the actual brushes. So this is the Mini Pink Perfection brush set. So these brushes are mini brush sets. So it comes with 6 brushes, because it is a 6-piece brush set. It also comes with the brush pouch in here as well. So let's get to opening this up. I've already taken the tape and stuff off of here, so I can just go ahead on and get to the product. So as you can see, these are this is the pouch. It has BH Cosmetics on it. It says blending is my, I'm not for sure what that is. Oh, cardio. Wow, blending is my cardio. How cute. So this is what it looks like up close. Just want to show you guys in case you can't see it from that angle. This is what it looks like. Very cute. It's gorgeous, girly, pink and white. And so this is the inside. How beautiful. I haven't even taken them out, but look how beautiful that is. And these are the brushes. So let's take the brushes out. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Okay. So already good. It's already good. This is already a good first impressions and unboxing. Super gorgeous. So there's 6 brushes. I'm just gonna run through them right quick. So this is a good eyeshadow brush. All the brushes, they don't have names, they have numbers. So this is the number 4. This is just good for packing color on your lid. And then the next brush that I'm grabbing is a number 3. this would probably be good for doing blush. This would be a good blush brush. You could even use it for foundation, but probably blush. So we've done 4 and 3, so let me put these down. The next one is an angled brush. This is number 6, so this is good for putting like eyeliner on your lid, liquid eyeliner, or if you're trying to really do like a cat eye, you can do it precisely with this. So this will be really good for that. You could even use that for eyeshadow as well. I would use it for eyeliner, or if I'm trying to do something with my inner tear duct, that's what I would use that for. The next one is a number 2. This is good for using highlighter or contouring. So I would contour. They would probably say this is a foundation brush, but I would use this for contouring or a highlighter. And this is the number 2. And then the next brush I would use for foundation indefinitely. This is number 1. And then the next is the number 5. And I would use this probably for my crease area, for putting color in my crease, because it's a fluffy brush. Fluffy dome brush. So yeah, definitely for my crease. So, I mean, these are gorgeous. They feel soft. They're not really heavy, but they're not cheaply made either. Like, I love it. I would give these, if I was going to give these a 5 star, it would be a 5 star. 1 to 10, I would give it a probably 9.5, because if they were full, that would be awesome. They don't have a full set of these. I would love these mini ones for travel. This is perfect for travel, but to have this in a full set would be even more awesome. So that's why I'm gonna give it a 9.5. Really a 9.9.5 to be honest, because I love them. It's cute. It's great for traveling. It's supposed to be for traveling. That's obviously why it's a mini brush set. And check this out, guys. It was only $7. They were only like $7.50 or something like that. And I think originally the price is like $12 something. So I'm going to link this below. If you're needing a brush set and you're traveling a lot, these will be good. Even if you're not traveling, if you just want to have a brush set, you can start out with something like this. You know, this will be really good to start out with because it's not crazy expensive. Brushes can get expensive, but this is not. And just to mention, just so you know, these are synthetic brushes. Some brushes have synthetic hairs, and some brushes have actual real animal hair. So this is synthetic, which I prefer synthetic because they tend to not shed and do all of the craziness like the real hair brushes do. So I would rate this a 9.9, simply only because of the size. Because honestly, if they had this in the bigger size, I would get this too. So I would prefer to have a bigger size and the mini size of these. But they only have this size, and that's cool. It's still fine. It's good for traveling, but to have it every day in a full size that's that beautiful, like a brush that's that beautiful as that, and just a full size will be just perfect. But anyway, I love these. Gonna link them below. Thank you guys for checking out this unboxing. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, make sure you like it, thumbs it up, and share. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and push the bell on my channel homepage so you can be notified when I upload something. Thanks to you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my social links below. All of the links below with codes for things that you can get discounts on are also always in the description box. Thanks so much for love and support, and check me out in my next video, and I will see you guys in my next video.